So welcome. Let's discuss some of the questions which have been prepared for UGC Public Administration by our expert team for June 2025. Now here, let's focus on some of the questions. The first question talks about significance of Hawthorne studies. Now Hawthorne studies was a very important study to understand the informal organization. Now this was conducted by Western Electric Company in Hawthorne Works, the company that's Hawthorne Works in Illinois, United States back in 1930s. The idea of this research was to understand the physical conditions and its impact on productivity, like the conditions like lightning, atmosphere and so on. However, later on it highlighted that the informal relations or the informal organizations in the formal structure plays a very important role on productivity. For example, group norms, social networking, sentiments, interpersonal relationship, and that was finally studied under the Hawthorne studies. The next is under the idea of Follett, there are three ways of resolving a conflict. Now these include compromise, integration and domination. Control and coordination are parts of management steps. They are not considered as part of the resolution of a conflict. So domination is where one side imposes its will on the other. Compromise is where both sides negotiate, and integration is where both sides come up with a solution which fully meets the need of both the sides. The next is the evolution of the leadership theory. The first theory that came was the great man theory back in early 19th century, and this suggested that leaders are born leaders. They are having intrinsic heroic qualities. The next theory that came in was the trait theory around 20th century, and it said that there are certain personality traits that make up the leader. The next theory that came up was a behavioral theory, which talked about the observable actions and the behaviors of the leader which actually make them leader. After that, there was a theory which was called as situational theory or contingency theory that said that situations make up the leader, and this was one of the prominent theory during 1960s and 70s in shaping the effectiveness of leadership qualities. And finally, the latest of these includes the transformational leadership theory, which was in later 1970s by Burns and Bass, and this talked about that leaders are those who inspire and motivate others to follow an extraordinary outcome and lead to transformation of the society. So the next question is, which of the following word was not inducted in the preamble by subsequent amendment? So very important question, it is not inducted, right? So under the 42nd amendment, there were three things that were actually three basic ideas that was introduced, and those include the sovereign and the socialist and the secular. Sovereign was the one which was actually introduced in the very beginning of the preamble. However, socialist, secular and integrity word came with the 42nd amendment and were part of the later changes. The next is, who among the following is considered as the eyes and the ears of the collector? Very important question. Specifically in the field of revenue administration, right? So the correct answer here is Patwari. Patwari is also known as Lekpal. He is also known as Karnam in certain areas. In certain areas, he is known as village accountant. Now the idea of this whole operation is the revenue generation is being looked after by the Patwari of the village. They are responsible to maintain the land records, land revenues, agricultural conditions, and then they report to the deputy commissioner, who is the district collectorate, and therefore they are called as the eyes and ears of the collector in the field of revenue administration. So the correct answer here is Patwari. So those were some of the questions on public administration. Of course, if you are looking for more details on public administration, you can find it under the code 14 here for public administration on Doorstep Tutor, which covers the complete series of lectures, study material and PYQs. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.